Mobile Toilet Rental. Video Tutorial. FSM Rental is a fully digitalized and automated solution for managing mobile toilet rentals. It seamlessly connects equipment management in APLEX ERP, mobile fieldwork, and real-time dispatching. At the core of the solution is APLEX ERP, where sales reps create offers, reservations, rental cases, task for drivers, and issue invoices. Managers benefit from dashboard overviews, showing driver workload, stock levels, and sales trends. Drivers use the mobile app to complete tasks, capturing photos, and collecting customer signatures. Once the task is done, all data is automatically synced back to APLEX ERP. The dispatcher works in the FSM Tasks web interface with a real-time map. He plans routes, assign jobs, and respond to changes as they happen. When everything works together, it results in lower fuel costs, significant time savings, more efficient use of resources. Ready to discover more? Let's jump into the tutorial. A rental business case in FSM Rental can go through several different statuses, from an initial offer, through reservation and active rental, to return and invoicing. Each status reflects a specific phase of the rental lifecycle and may trigger tasks or documents automatically. Let's start with the first status, Offer. From the main menu, go to Services, Rental Store, and Rentals. To create a new business case, click New Rental Contract. Start by selecting the customer. Don't forget to fill in the address where the mobile toilet will be placed. Enter the address, or click the button to use the customer's address. Select the customer's representative. Contact details will be filled in automatically. You can enter the customer's contract number or internal order reference here. This may be important later for mass invoicing. The most common method is for the order. We cover invoicing workflows in a separate video. If you want to create an offer, check the offer box. Enter or select the requested rental period, from the start date to the end date. Select the selling agent responsible for this rental case. Select the charge type for this rental. According to the time, means pricing based on duration. Event fixed amount sets a total price regardless of time. Select the product or service to be rented. Click Save to complete. You can print or preview the offer by clicking Print. Click Send as PDF to email the offer. The system will use the customer's contact from the rental case and automatically attach the offer as a PDF. If needed, you can reserve the toilet for the customer to ensure availability. Once the reservation is activated, the rental changes its status to reserved, and a reservation is created for the selected period, reducing item availability. To view all reservations, go to the menu, Services, Rental Store Reservations. To check stock availability, open the reservation calendar under Services, Rental Store Reservations Calendar. In the calendar, select the warehouse. You can enable the display of both reservations and rentals, and click on any entry to open the related record. You can filter all rentals with the status, Offer, and check with the customer if they're still interested. If the customer agrees with the offer, you can turn it into a rental by filling in the start date, or simply click Rent All Items. The rental status is updated, and the stock level is automatically reduced. Now it's time to assign a drop-off task for the driver. Go to the FSM Tasks tab and click on the item line. Clicking on the next row assigns a recurring task, with a weekly period set automatically. FSM Rental uses 4 main task types in FSM Tasks to manage field operations efficiently. After all tasks are added, click Close and Save to confirm and return to the rental case. After saving, all task data is automatically sent to FSM Tasks. The dispatcher instantly sees the task in his web dashboard. Because we didn't assign a driver in the ERP system, the task appears as unassigned in GSM tasks. The dispatcher simply selects the unassigned task and assigns it to a driver using drag and drop. As you can see, if the driver completed the tasks in system order, he would follow a chaotic route, wasting both time and fuel. That's why both the dispatcher and the driver have the option to optimize the route for maximum efficiency. Now the route is planned, and the driver is ready to go. As soon as the dispatcher assigns the tasks, the driver sees them immediately in the mobile app. By tapping the arrow, the driver can view the full details of the task. The driver has quick access to call the customer or launch navigation with a single tap. By tapping Start Driving, the driver begins the task. Upon arrival, they click Arrived or Failed. After completing the service, they tap Complete to finish the task. As proof of completion, the driver takes a photo, automatically saved with GPS coordinates. This is important, as a photo of the clean toilet helps prevent any future complaints. The driver can also add a note to the task, for example, to describe the situation or explain why the service couldn't be completed. Next, the driver collects the customer's signature, confirmation of the rental start. The signature is automatically added to the rental agreement, which is then sent by email. Finally, the driver swipes to complete the task and continues with the next one. The dispatcher can see the live location of all drivers in real time. This brings great flexibility for handling urgent requests. For example, if there is a new drop-off request, the dispatcher can see nearby drivers and knows who has a free unit on board. They can simply assign the new task to the driver and insert it directly into their route. FSM Rental uses 4 key task types in GSM tasks to manage field operations efficiently. The drop-off task is used to deliver equipment to the customer. It's created as soon as the rental is activated. Recurrence tasks are used for regular services, like toilet cleaning. They're automatically generated upon delivery and follow a set interval. The pickup task is used at the end of the rental. It's created before the rental status is changed to returned. And finally, assignment tasks are for unexpected situations, such as extra cleaning or complaint handling, and can be created manually by the dispatcher at any time during the rental. The order of tasks follows a logical timeline, starting with the drop-off task, which is created first simply by clicking on the line in the task list. Clicking on the next row assigns a recurring task, with a weekly period set automatically, starting from next Monday. If you leave the until date empty, the task will repeat indefinitely. To stop it, you'll need to cancel it manually later, or simply enter an end date right away. You can change the weekly period by entering a different number of days. The final task in the sequence is pickup, used to collect the equipment at the end of the rental. If needed, you can also add an assignment task, for example, to handle extra cleaning or any unplanned service. You can choose to assign a driver to each task right away, or do it later using the dispatcher's web dashboard. Some long-term rentals may include many tasks. Their full history is available directly in the rental case, under the GSM Tasks tab. Thanks to the integration, task statuses are updated in real time, and you can click through to the web application for more details. There, you'll find a complete task timeline, photos taken during the job, and the exact GPS location shown on the map. After the drop-off task, the GPS location from the photo sets the exact toilet address, visible with one click. This helps drivers in large areas where a postal address isn't enough. The address is reused for all future tasks. During the drop-off task, the driver is required to collect the customer's electronic signature. This step is essential for full process digitalization. The signature is automatically added to the rental agreement, which is then emailed to the client. Another great example of process digitalization is the automatically sent service report after each cleaning. It's a powerful tool that helps you eliminate complaints. No more disputes about unclean toilets. A clear record, including photos of the completed service, is generated and sent automatically after each task. You can find the full list of tasks in the side menu under FSM Tasks. Task completion statuses are updated automatically, and you can easily filter them as needed. For example, you can filter all completed pickup tasks and use them to close the corresponding rentals and prepare them for final invoicing. With one click, you can jump directly to the related rental case and easily finish the rental period by pressing the Return All Items button. The rental case automatically changes its status to returned. Be sure to deactivate the recurring task in the FSM Tasks tab, so that no more tasks are generated after the rental ends. Now you can filter all rentals with the status returned and proceed with invoicing. To generate invoices, use the Invoicing button. It automatically selects all rentals that are ready for billing. For more details about the invoicing process, please refer to our next video. Thanks to APLEX ERP and FSM Tasks, your processes are now fully digitalized and automated. Now you can sit back and relax, or use your extra time to track driver productivity in the interactive dashboard. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate. Make your dispatcher happy. Let them enjoy real-time visibility and a workflow without chaos. Just smart coordination. Make life easier for drivers with clear tasks, quick navigation, easy reporting with photos, signatures. Give your manager smart tools, live dashboards, full traceability to make better decisions. Thank you for watching. Get in touch or learn more at www.fsmrental.eu.